Hey, what's up? It's a Monday. Take a little break from work. I'm gonna go on a fact-finding mission here. There's a noise that I hear every day coming from the woods behind the house. You could probably hear it. I've got the skeleton housing on the GoPros so that the microphones are uncovered a little bit. But if you listen, coming from out there in the woods, it's so steady. The rhythm of it is so steady that it can't be something natural. So I'm going to strap the GoPro on the head and we're going to go see what it is. In case you're wondering, I'm bringing the stick to clear spider webs out of the way. So it's over this way. I can hear it's right there. Like there's no way to get through the woods over there, so I'm going to go through here. Always big fucking spider webs back here. So here we're coming up to my neighbor's property. It's like right there. That sound. Some horses right there. Oh, you know what it is? You gotta be kidding me. It's the electric fence. Huh. Hey, horses. Electric fence right here, and it must be arcing or something. Yeah, you can see the electric fence on those yellow plastic braces. And it must be like arcing and then resetting itself, I guess. I'm sure the water's not electrified. I'm going to test it anyway. Yeah, it's fine. Alright, well, that's what it is. Guy's got his electric fence out here, and it's there's his horses. I'm assuming you can hear it okay in the video. Oh well. I guess I gotta get back to work.